everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to see comment history on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. We frequently leave comments on posts that catches our attention while using Instagram. After a few hours, we notice that for some reason, we must delete or alter the comment. In these cases, we open the Instagram app and begin browsing through the feed to find the post where we left the comment. Instagram thankfully gives you the ability to view your comment history. So without further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by clicking the bottom right icon. Tap the three-line menu symbol in the upper right corner. Tap to Your Activity. On your activity page, tap Interactions. Tap on Comments. We can order comments date by using Sort and Filter. So, now you are able to view all of your previous comment history on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedbacks. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.